Are you tired of your bulky old wallet, feeling like George Costanza from Seinfeld? So I've been looking for a new minimalist wallet, and I came upon this wallet, the Mech Wallet by Puncube. And in this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth review on this wallet. Usually when I see these videos on YouTube on similar products, they are 3 to 4 minutes long, quite shallow, and they just endorse the product. Now, full disclaimer, I was sent this wallet by Puncube after a lot of research by me on the company and on the product. So I can just assure you that no money changed hands. I'm not sponsored by Puncube. They did not tell me what to say in the video. They will not get to review the video before I publish it. And these are my genuine thoughts about the wallet. So my goal here is to present everything there is to know about the wallet for you. So if you're similar like me, you want to have a lot of information about a product before you make a purchase decision. So in this video, you will have just that. Now, let's start with going through the unboxing experience together, and I will tell you all of the information there is to know about the wallet, and then followed by all the pros and cons and the experience using the wallet. So you can decide for yourself at the end. Now, let's get into it. So today we're looking at one of the most unique EDC or everyday carry items I've had my hands on recently. The Puncube Mech Wallet. It's a mechanical, futuristic looking wallet that promises to change how you carry your cards and cash. But is it just cool to look at, or is it actually functional for daily use? The Mech Wallet is made from aerospace grade aluminum, and it definitely feels solid in the hand, but surprisingly light at the same time. Coming in at only 53 grams, this is a fairly lightweight wallet, especially for being made of metal. When I first took it out of the box, I was honestly impressed by the build quality. The thing is like something out of a sci-fi movie. And since it's made of solid aluminum, you have this natural RFID protection because it's all metal, keeping you safe when you're out and about. You can get accessories for the wallet to handle everything you need in a modern environment. You don't need to carry a bunch of receipts and coupons like George Costanza, but you may need some cash with you at times. I know I do. So then you can attach this money clip that comes in the box, or there are also accessories attaching your AirTag, for example, or enabling MagSafe compatibility, or accessories to expand your wallet and make it function more like a traditional wallet. The design is inspired by modern tech, and it shows. You've got sleek, minimalist design. Oh, and if you're an Apple user, you're absolutely going to love the design of this wallet. Just look at it next to my MacBook Pro. Even the aluminum looks like the space gray on my laptop. Just perfect match. All right, you may say, that's all well and good, but how does it work? Well, this one is the Horizon model in the cloud colorway. It looks like, space gray Apple, pretty much. Perfect match, like we said. And it has a sliding mechanism. Just some other models come with steps, like 3 steps or 6 steps, where you'll hear a lot of clicks as you do this. Some of the other ones will be like brrrt as you open it, or steps like tick, tick, tick. This one is just slide, and there's nothing to it. It's just very minimalist. That's exactly what I wanted. And it's just very fun to be fiddling with it. I love the sound. I love the slide, the mechanism, the engineering in this thing. It feels quality, and it's just very nice. So I use 5 cards, usually, in my daily carry. I have them all here. I'll demonstrate how it works with the wallet. I'm just going to mention that we also have a money clip. Should you be someone who prefers to use cash. And then I have a few 100 baht here. I'll just demonstrate. You push them into the money clip like that. You can't hold like huge wads of cash, but in this day and age, I find myself paying by QR code. Apple Pay or card all the time, and then I just keep a couple of bills of cash just in case I need it somewhere. Maybe the internet is down or something like that. so you may need it. So yeah, that's what the money clip is for. But otherwise the wallet is just mainly for cards. And I have a stack of my 5 cards. I have my beautiful Puncube Mech Wallet, and I just push them in, like so. There we go. And then, as you use the mechanism, it's like a fan. Just push it up, one thumb, push on the logo, they go back like that. And then, when you need your card, maybe you need your subway card, take it out of the fan, or you want to pay with your primary credit card, just take it out like that. Now, something I've found, I promise to be very, genuine in this review, and that is when you have them fanned out like this, the cards, it is sometimes a little tricky to get the middle cards here. So what I do when I want to get the middle cards is I take all the cards out and then I pick them out, the ones I want. So I have my least used cards in the middle of the fan. The top one and the bottom one are very easy to access. So just do that and access them. Yeah, and then I fiddle a lot with it. As I said, I love that mechanism. It feels so good. And having that out in public, paying for things, it's often a conversation starter. It's pretty fun to just have your Mech wallet like this. And people ask about it, like, what type of wallet is that? Regular minimalist wallets. This is my old one with my name on it, of course. Don't know if you can see. And yeah, it's small, it's minimal, it's good, but sometimes, it's just a gaping leather like this. Cards can fall out and it's just not very secure. Yeah, it's small, but I think the Puncube is actually smaller. The general footprint of the Puncube wallet is actually smaller than the old minimalist wallet I had. Yeah, it's like basically like credit card sized with a little mechanism and full metal protection all around it. So speaking of full metal all around the Puncube, you have this natural RFID protection for all types of signals that someone could use to access your cards in your wallet. Now that is impossible with this wallet, so you can feel that peace of mind. That's very good. For my use case, I travel a lot, I live the city life, I go on the subway, public areas a lot. Yeah, just very good to have that peace of mind. So, one thing to note about the RFID protection is that some people, myself included in the past, when you were going on the subway or you have an access card of some sort, you may want to just keep that in your wallet and then blip it on some terminal. You can't really do that with this, of course, because it's all metal. Nothing goes through that. So if you want to go on the subway, you take out your subway card and then you go. Now that's not a problem at all for me, and it's easy with this wallet. But just something you should know, because I have utilized that feature before, just having the access card in the wallet, go and blip it. It's pretty awesome and streamlined, but yeah, this works too. I prefer it with the peace of mind. An important factor, let's talk about the price. Well, this wallet comes in at $69 US. Nice. I know that might seem expensive for some people, but it's right in the same ballpark as the main rivals, like maybe Ridge or Exter, for example. What you're paying for is quality materials, very nice aerospace grade aluminum, as they say. You can really feel the quality, and you really want to sit and fiddle with this innovative design. People have designed push cards out wallets like this before, but this mechanism just feels premium and super good. It's the best one I've seen so far, so I enjoy it just for that. But yeah, the price is up there for a wallet. A little bit ironic that you pay a lot of money for your wallet, but I would say in this case, it's actually worth it for me. So how has it been using this wallet in everyday life? Well, very practical, very cool, lots of conversation starters. Yeah, it's been good for my use case. So let's talk about the use case, because that's what's important for you when you're considering this wallet. Well, if you're someone who likes everyday carry, you like tech, maybe you like to fiddle a little bit with the cool mechanism, this wallet is definitely for you if you're somewhat of a minimalist. If you're George Costanza, on the other hand, like we saw in the beginning, and you have all those receipts and coupons and everything saved in your wallet, you won't be able to do that with this one. So yeah, think about that. Maybe keep your Costanza wallet for that. But if you're someone who's ready to embrace minimalism, and I can tell you it's awesome, then maybe try one of these minimalist wallets out. It's very much worth it and super cool to have. So yeah, good experience. But think about your use case and what you want the wallet for. But yeah, let's do a classic pros and cons. Starting with the pros, I'd say it has a unique, eye-catching design, and it matches really well with the Apple products, as we said before. The build quality is just excellent. Yeah, you can really feel it. And then the mechanism is very fun, and the wallet is just compact and secure. You have that peace of mind, and that's very good. But there are cons as well. So I'd say this wallet is expensive for a wallet. The capacity is somewhat limited. It is a minimalist wallet, and that can be very good if you're someone like me, or if you want a lot of stuff in it, it's bad. And being made of metal, some people like to have the wallet and the keys in the same pocket. And you can just imagine having keys scratching this beauty up. It's not going to be ideal. So maybe you have your phone in one pocket, wallet and keys in the other pocket. Pretty normal situation. Then, I don't know. Not so good. But if you're using access cards and codes and stuff to get in instead of keys, of course, just use this. So, final verdict time. Is it worth it? Is the Puncube Mech Wallet Horizon Cloud worth it? For me, yeah, if you value form and function and minimalism, and this kind of mechanism makes you smile every time you use it, then yeah, definitely worth it. And again, if you're someone who needs to carry a lot of things in your wallet, you won't be able to manage. But so if you choose, you want to purchase this one, then you could use the affiliate link in my description, and you can get it for those $69 at no additional cost for you, but it supports my channel, and I can bring you more videos like this, or travel videos, whatever you prefer. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And yeah, if you want to know more about how I manage my money while traveling, just check out this video right up here in the corner. See you in the next one.